Okay, I don't know what happened. But off the top of my head, I'm going to find two factors that, or some factors that equal 80. So let's see, we've got 1 and 80, 2 and 40, 4 and 20, and then 5 would be 16. Okay, so I'm looking for something in here that would give me 11. So it looks like it would probably be here. So we need a positive 11. So I'm going to put my 16 up here and a minus 5 down here. So this would be 16 times x is 16x. X times negative 5 is minus 5x. Okay, so then does this equal 11? 16 minus 5 is 11x. Okay, so that's our answer. So we have x plus 16 and x minus 5. And we have to also, we can't forget this guy, we have to bring down the x squared. So this is our answer for number 34. Okay, so for number 46, we have 2x squared minus x minus 10. We can't factor anything out ahead of time because they don't all have something alike in terms, so we are going to go ahead and create our box. Our first box is going to be 2x squared, and our last box is going to be minus 10. This one's going to be a little bit trickier because we have a number in front of the x. So we're going to start out with 2x times x, which would be 2x squared. Now we need to find that number that would give us a negative 10, or the factors of negative 10 that would give us a minus x. So let's look. We're just going to try 1 and 10, just because. So 1 and minus 10. So x times minus 1 is minus x. 10, times 2x, that'd be 20x. That's way too much, so that's not going to work. So let's try it the other way. Let's do x minus 10 and x plus 1. So x times 10 is, or minus 10 is minus 10x. 2x plus 1 is minus 2x. Well, 10x and minus 2x is not equal negative x, so that is not going to work. Okay, so I erase that. Let's try 2 and 5. Let's do minus 5 plus 2. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. 2x times 2x, or 2x times 2 is 4x. And minus 5x and plus 4x equals negative x, so that's our answer. So we are going to come down here, and our first factorization is going to be 2x minus 5. Our second one is x plus 2. And that is our answer. Okay, this last one, number 71, is going to be a little bit more tricky. So this is out of order here. So we're going to write the correct order. 24x squared minus 47x minus 2. Okay, so it's going to be very tricky because this is a bigger number. So it might take us a couple times to figure this out. All right, so there's my box. There's nothing that goes into all three of these numbers. So we're going to have to just go with, figure it out. So we need a 24x